working with data loggers, one of the most important specifications to keep in mind is response time. And the most common way to measure response time is to use benchmarks t63 and t90. t63 is the time it takes the sensor to reach 63% of the total temperature change after it's exposed to a new environment. This value also represents the sensor time constant and is commonly used by engineers in fast-changing environments and to compare sensor performance. Similarly to t63, t90 signifies the time it takes the sensor to reach 90% of the final temperature. As an example, if a sensor captures a temperature change from 15 to 65 degrees Celsius, t63 occurs at 5.45 seconds and 47.2 degrees, while t90 occurs at 7.75 seconds and 60 degrees. Understanding both specifications can help you select the right data logger for applications where fast, accurate temperature measurements are essential. For more information about response time, check out one of our other videos in the description below. Thanks for watching.